more on the bassy side?
It's not really that it's not that there's too much bass. There's not too much bass. But, I don't know. It sounds okay. It just sounds different. That's not what I'm used to hearing you sound like.
Okay, well, okay, now I need a chicken choker. Sometimes she screams. Like she screams?
No problem at all. No feedback. No distortion. No issues like that.
Okay, might get on there. What do you think? Cut them back or leave them wide open?
Where you get them at now?
Oh, wide open, wide open. When we try to play with the volume on the mic, then we start to have issues, so we cut them back. More or less like how we had them when you dial me in, and then just only the mic gain will turn up. But I get the mic gain right now, wide open.
Okay, when you say mic gain, that's the one on the radio, right?
Yeah, Roger, the radio.
Okay, shoots, man. Yeah, I don't know. Leave it like that, and then listen to the gate, and see if you like that.
So, nothing, is anything close like Brown Shoes or not?
It somewhat resembles his audio, but yeah, a little bit different. You're gonna have to judge that because I remember what he sounds like, but yeah, I don't think you're quite there yet. You need more depth. His audio had a lot of depth and a lot of volume, so you get the volume part, but you hit me pretty good. So yeah, just give me some audio, and then I'll keep the gate short so it's fast to load, and you can go look at them right away, and then get back to me.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think because you got a deep voice, I think. Maybe that's the difference right there, because I get kind of a high voice, I noticed. But, yeah, because he sounded like Big John there. Big Bad John.
Yeah, Roger. But I think you're going to want to cut back on the gain a little bit.
Okay, on the radio.
Yeah, don't do it yet, though. Listen to the gate first, and then come back and let me know.
Okay, well, you know what? Water gate this on, and then let's go play the mic gain on the radio. Let me go cut them back, and then maybe what do you think? 12 o'clock and work our way up, or work our way down? Maybe go 3 o'clock, work our way down from 3 o'clock down to 12.
Yeah, if you get them wide open now, then bring them back to about 3 o'clock and see what happens.
Okay, 3 o'clock, and I step out roughly about 4 inches away there. Just about 4 inches there, Roger?
Yeah, okay. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe you need to back up a little bit.
Okay, so what, 3 o'clock sounds better? You want me to maybe go 2:30, or should I work them down?
Yeah, it's getting better. You back away from the mic.
No, I keep it the same distance there. I keep it about 4 to 6 inches there, Roger?
Okay, try go 2 o'clock then.
Yeah, I think right about 2 o'clock there. 2 o'clock. Hello, audio check. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. We're looking for a brown shoe signature. Break.
Yeah, okay, so now the distortion started to go away, but the tone is changing too. So you're going to have to listen to that. So this is at 2 o'clock. This is where it starts to get where I like it, where I like the way it sounds.
Okay, Roger. So what? 2 o'clock. Let's try cut them back 1:30. You guys gotta go 1 turtles.
You can try them. Try go 1 o'clock. We'll go 1 hour increments. Yeah. Try go 1 o'clock, and we'll see if we need to back up.
Okay. Right there. We got them 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock there. 1 o'clock there, Roger. 1 o'clock. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello.
Yeah, I think can go back 2 o'clock.
Where they go? 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock?
2 o'clock.
Okay, we got 2 o'clock. So 2 o'clock sounds okay? We like try 2:30 or leave them at 2?
No, 2 o'clock sounds good. And that's barefooted.
No, negative. That's with the kind, the box on there, the afterburner. I still high. Like I try go low or like I go barefoot?
No, leave them on. Leave them on high. Because, like a famous guy once said, man, why you get them if you're not going to run them?
Roger, okay. Yeah, I'm looking for it because, you had, what gave me, and then, yeah, it was kind of on the dirty side, but, then they also want a gate, yeah, so, but I take whatever I can, whatever, survey I can get, yeah, so I can dial them in and get them clean, yeah, Roger?
Yeah, Roger, okay, so, the gate just went to 6 minutes, just over 6 minutes now, so I'm going to wrap it up, put it up on my YouTube, and then you can go check it out.
Okay, Roger. Okay, hey, thanks for the check. I went on the thing. I get some stuff to do, and then I'll go listen to, and then I'll go get back with you. I don't know when though, because the kind get the painters over here, so I'll get some stuff set up for them, and the kind so they will feel comfortable and they still be around there, Roger.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Should be about maybe 5-10 minutes. Should be up, but okay. Yeah, we'll look for your message throughout the day and see. When you get back to me, then just leave a short message out, and unless I'm on the phone, I'll pick it up. But then I'll get back to you.
Okay, Roger. So, are we quite there with the brown shoe there, or no cigar yet?
Yeah, you're going to have to listen to them and judge for yourself, because you get them from wide open to 3 o'clock, to 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and then back to 2 o'clock. So, listen to them, and then you tell me what you think.
Okay, Roger. Okay, thanks for the check. We'll put the friendly 5 away, and the other P5 and the 4-legged ones, I said, happy 4th of July. Check Araya.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Same on your end, too. Tell everybody hello, and shucks, man. Have a good weekend. We'll catch you later. Aloha.
Okay, Brother Craig. Mahalo for the check. I'll get back with you later on. We're clearing on.
Bye.